This week, AI reaches a new summit, gets a smarter brain, and unleashes your creativity. Here are your top stories in 2 minutes.
First, NVIDIA has hit a historic $5 trillion valuation, cementing its role as the engine of the AI revolution.
The company partnered with the U.S. Department of Energy and Oracle to build one of the world's largest AI supercomputers.
Named Solstice, it will be housed at Argonne National Laboratory, driving huge leaps in AI and scientific computing. The system will be powered by a staggering 100,000 GPUs, redefining the limits of AI model training.
Next, OpenAI is enhancing its Atlas browser with an innovative new architecture called OWL.
This open web language architecture improves security, chat persistence, and AI agent task automation.
The goal is to redefine web exploration, making digital interactions more intelligent and natural than ever before.
Finally, in the creative space, Adobe and Google Cloud are deepening their AI partnership. The collaboration embeds Google's latest AI models directly into Adobe Firefly, Photoshop, and Express. This enriches Adobe's toolset with cutting-edge, AI-powered image generation and editing capabilities, providing creatives with powerful enhancements to accelerate workflows and fuel artistic innovation. This week shows the complete AI pipeline maturing. Massive hardware enables smarter interfaces, and those interfaces are empowering millions of users with incredible new creative capabilities. As these tools become more powerful, the responsibility to create ethically and distinguish between human and AI-generated content grows. Stay curious and subscribe for your essential 2-minute AI news every week.